Did you know that you can create tasks in Grok AI? Let me show you how. As you can see, I'm on Grok here on my phone. To create a task, click the three lines in the upper left, then click on task. And here you can find your task. You can find active task, and you can find archive task. To create a task, simply either click the plus in the upper right or click on create task right here. If you're doing it for the first time, here you can give it whatever you want. I'm going to call this one test. As an example, let's leave it as whatever it is. As you can see right here that you can set the frequency, you can set the time, you can give it a prompt, you can set notifications and email notifications, all this kind of stuff, right? And then click on save. And as you can see, you need to give it a prompt, whatever it is that you want to do. So I am going to just say wake up, for example. I don't know if that's going to work, guys. And just click save. And as you can see, I've go ahead and schedule it. You can use Grok to be more creative, guys, and say whatever it is that you want to use the AI to. And once you give it that prompt, it will go ahead and do it for you. So think about all the different things that you wanted to use Grok for, use the AI to do within this application. You can be creative. So I want to recommend that you think about it. If you'd like to know what you can basically ask this Grok AI to do, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to share with you my favorite list of tasks that I like to use Grok AI for. But just to share with you guys a basic, you can easily go ahead and create tasks within Grok AI.